What is up, YouTube? Right now it's Christmas Day, and I just want to say Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you're having a lovely day so far. Right now I'm currently outside, and I just wanted to come outside and just relax and chill and just eat some papaya. So that's what I'm doing right now. So good, especially when it's cold. It's amazing. So yeah, right now I'm just sitting outside my house. I'm in my home clothes, as you guys can see. The visitors haven't come yet, so I'm not getting ready yet. That's why I'm still in my home clothes. I haven't bathed. I've brushed my teeth, washed my face, but I haven't bathed yet. Just sitting outside, just eating fruit. So yeah. This is a papaya I'm eating. This one is quite soft. It's usually nice when it's hard and cold, but this is nice too though, so I don't mind. Don't mind me, guys, my skin is so bad right now. But I just want to say a quick message, like Christmas is all about being with your family, being with your friends, and just enjoy it. My auntie said something so lovely to me the other day. She said, I asked her what does she want for Christmas, and she said all she wants for Christmas is for me to be happy and smiling. And like, I took that so lovely, like, to my heart. Like, I was just like, oh, that's so lovely for her to say that. And it's so true, like, just be happy today, do you know what I mean? Today is a day of family, a day of having fun, a day of just loving Jesus. Even though he wasn't born on this day, but, you know, this day is dedicated to him, so just be happy for Jesus, do you know what I mean? And don't let anything stress you out today. Just be happy and laugh, spend time with your family, and thank God that you made it this far. You know, some people didn't even make it this far. Like, for some reason, when it gets to December, people just start dying and passing away and going to hospital, which I think is really strange. Right, the work of the enemy, obviously, some of it. And yeah, just to be alive is a blessing. So that's my brother, guys.
So what's this?
It's for my YouTube video.
Hey. Gang,
This is my brother, guys.
Introduction to the channel.
Yeah, because he's actually never been on here. I look like a boy, but it's fine. That's my brother, my younger brother. He looks really tall, so everyone thinks he's old, but he's actually younger than me.
Cold on with the boys.
Okay then, that's weird. But yeah, have you got a message for the people about Christmas?
Well, obviously, don't get it twisted, it's all about Jesus.
He's actually so silly, come on.
I would say, do I have a message?
Yeah.
Yeah, so, you know, enjoy Christmas, everyone. You know, it's a time for family, it's a time for fellowship. But at the same time, we can't forget about Jesus.
Yeah.
You know, he was born around this time. So, yeah. But obviously, enjoy.
Peace.
Deuces. Denise, is this the last star?
Yeah.
Sitting in your little bit eating fruit. Alright, okay, I need to jump on the wave.
So guys, my mum just set the table and I just done all of these. Yeah, because we're gonna have some visitors. So yeah, the table is set. Okay, it's quite cool actually. The cake's in the fridge at the moment, but someone just bought us a cake, so maybe we might have this as well. Yeah, so this is how the table looks. Hi, Auntie.
Like watching.
No, I'm just doing a video.
Ah.
How cool. So is this the jollof?
Jollof soup.
Okay.
This is a goat pepper soup.
Goat pepper soup. Okay. What about this?
This is boiled sweet potato.
Okay. And this is
That's the
potatoes.
potato for the quinoa.
Oh, the quinoa. Okay. And what's that over there? That orange thing.
We have another potato here.
Oh, is that sweet potato?
This sweet potato.
Okay.
Then we have a turkey breast.
Okay.
We have a lamb. Lamb.
Wow. That is well seasoned. So right now we are bringing out the food. These are all the sauces. I don't really know what that is.
That's zucchini.
Zucchini. Okay, I've never had that before.
That's my cucumber sister.
It's your what?
Cucumber sister.
Oh my days. This is the banana. That's turkey, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is lamb and some little
Salmon.
pigs and blankets. I think this is a sweet potato. And this is giraffe. So I think there's more food coming out. I'm so ready to eat right
Right
now.
here is we've got the.
This is my sister. You guys saw my brother who just pushed me.
Hey guys, you know, so obviously I'm the eldest sister. Some cheeky little
Oh
dishes.
my days, she's not
Both
serious.
traditional and the local bits and bobs.
Okay, I just showed them the food, but you know you can introduce us again. Introduce it again. Yeah, what were you saying?
Hi guys, so I'm Nicole and I'm just going to introduce you to the traditional and the normal foods that we have for Christmas. So we've got the cheeky little sausage just right here, you know, just to add a bit of shebang and flavour to the bits. We've got potato and nuts and we just cheaply mix it up with a bit of jollof. Feel free to come and join us, thank you. Then you put that phone down and stop.
I'm just getting.
Oh, okay.
This time I'm not wasting time. Last year I waited for everyone to get their food and all the best bits will come. So guys, don't watch my face. I wasn't able to beat my face, but this is a moment I've been waiting for. We're about to cut the cake. I'm so excited. Everyone who knows me knows I love cake. So we're gonna do that now and my hair looks so horrific. I tried to curl it, but this is my outfit, guys. Don't know if you can see it. Yeah, this is my outfit, but yeah, we're gonna get the cake, so stay tuned. Yeah, you did, you missed it. Right. May God bless you. May God bless you now.
This was the NCM begging.
May God bless you now. May God bless you now. So guys, I'm cutting the cake right now.
No one too.
I don't really know how to cut it. 'Cause I don't really cut cakes, I only eat them, so it's a bit mad, you know what I mean?
What did it?
This cake, guys, I chose us to have
I told
vanilla,
you get the plates and you wanted to do big.
strawberry.
Wait, hold on, let me get it. Now I get this side.
Nicole, you getting plates? So, hi guys, I know this is late, but I want to show you guys my Christmas look because I didn't show you guys my look. So today I tried a cut crease. This is my first time doing cut crease, guys, so you have to give me a round of applause because I think I did pretty well. And obviously you gotta have that highlight pop in. You guys know me, like, well, my highlight, it needs to be popping, like, you know what I mean? But yeah, so that is the end of my Christmas vlog. Oh yeah, by the way, before you ask, these are my real eyelashes. I get loads of questions on my eyelashes. These are my real eyelashes. I use Accelerator mascara. Yeah, anyway, yeah, Christmas was, I loved it today. Like, this has been one of the best Christmases I've had in ages. Even though I didn't get any presents, like, I just loved being with my family. Like, I just loved it, man. I just loved it so much. And friends too. Like, I just loved it. Nothing stressed me out. I was happy. It was great. It was amazing. I'm just so grateful to God. And the food was mwah. Everything was just, loved it. And then to top it off, I done a good cut crease. So, you know, how could I even complain? Do you know what I mean? But, yeah, guys, man. This is how it turned out, boo. This is how it turned out. So I'm about to do a photo shoot. My brother's going to take pictures of me. And, yeah, I'll show you guys my full outfit. I went with a plain look today. Went with a plain top. But my trousers were sparkly. So that was like the statement piece of my outfit for today. And, yeah, I enjoyed myself today. So I thank God. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe now. If you haven't shared my video, make sure you share. If you haven't commented, make sure you comment. Just feel free to do whatever you want to do because it's Christmas Day, but just make sure you subscribe. Okay, peace. It's still on. Peace.